Okay, I have told that it will be the next video for this one, and here is the next video. We have the problem with the check, and it just stuck when I was testing it. Just screw the screw here. Strange, got really easily. Okay, what can we do now? We can try to spin the check. And we want to see, oh yeah, we have the jaws not aligned. And it's okay. I will be needed to check the brush holder here. Let's try the Allen key trick here. Going it for the unscrewing and turning it on. As it's a night now, I will try just for a couple of times. Okay, I think I will get back on this one on a day, because now it's almost midnight. Okay, waited for over the night, and now we can try to unscrew this one. And okay, you can try to do that in a more simple way. Of course, not going in here, putting it on a slow mode. Okay, can't do that, so. And for the brushes, I have sanded the brushes a little bit because they are stuck in the brush holder. Okay, that's right. Easy as that. Just needed to get to the lower speed, I think. Okay, this check is definitely going out, and I have told the price for the customer for the repair, and normally I'm not increasing the price on this in case like that. Of course, it's not often it happens that, but I have the sometimes I have usage checks, and sometimes I have just the checks removed from other drill. This one looks quite new, but it is like it is. I cannot charge the customer for that. I have not checked the check. So giving the customer the new check and just forgetting it, and that it is like it is. Okay, so checking it again. Okay, good as new, and I will just clean this part here, and that's all. We have repaired it, changed the check, the brushes, and the switch. Thank you for watching. Press thumbs up if you are waiting video for some kind of tool. Just let me know. I will try to find it broken or something and repair it, tear it down, and so on. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and bye.